What's up guys, this is me Sudarshan and you're watching my channel SJRTD. So today I'll be telling you how to install iOS 15 on your iPhone devices. As you guys know, iOS 15 is around the corner, which is going to be released in the latest September iPhone launch event. But if you guys are eager to experience iOS 15 or if you want to show off iOS 15 to your friends, well, let me tell you guys there is an official way to download iOS 15 before its official release. So today I'll be telling you how to download iOS 15 using the official method. So let's get started. So open Safari, go to beta.apple.com. Once it is opened, you will see different information about the betas which are provided by Apple. These are public betas. As you can see, now you can either sign in or sign up. If you guys have Apple ID, you can directly sign in. I am going to sign in. After successful login, you will be redirected to the public beta page of Apple, where you can see different operating systems depending upon the device. For iPhone that will be iOS, for iPad that will be iPadOS, and etc etc. The steps will be the same for every operating system. Now what you need to do is just scroll down and click on enroll the iOS device. Next, you need to follow the steps. You can either have a backup. I'll tell you why to take the backup. Next one is to install a profile. You can click on download profile. The profile will be downloaded. Now that profile has to be installed on your iPhone device. So you need to go into the settings of your iPhone and install the profile. As you can see, I'm into the settings. I've opened the profile. Enter the passcode. You will see some information about the profile. Hit install. Reboot your device. Just for information purpose, I have not rebooted it. You can see the profile is installed. Now you can see that iOS 15 is available in the software update. Now you can successfully update your software. Enjoy iOS 15. Now I will tell you why backup is important. If you have installed iOS 15 on your device and you don't like iOS 15 and you want to go back to your previous iOS version installed on your iPhone, if you have a backup ready, you can go back to the previous iOS version. If not, you need to wait for the latest iOS stable release. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share it with your iOS friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.